What up, guys? I'm the Baby Grizzle, and welcome to another episode of Gamers Don't Know Shit. Today I'm going to show you how to change the blower motor on your 2007 Toyota Tundra. So if you have a problem with no air coming out of your vents, this video might just be for you. On a side note, Daddy's been sucking up all the screen time, so now I finally get on the camera. Let's get to work.
Alright guys, check it out. First thing you need to do is remove your glove compartment. There's a little snap right here. Snap that off. You're going to compress these two sides here, and it's going to fall right out. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this. Maybe, baby. Alright, you're gonna nope. You're gonna compress the two sides to get these little pins out, and it falls right out, just like that. Second step is there's a couple of screws here, two pan heads, and I think there is there's two hex heads down here that you're gonna have to take out to take this little compartment out. Alright, once you get your little compartment out, this right here is the blower motor, but it's a lot easier to work with the compartment out. And basically there's a couple of screws here. There's only three. 1, 2, 3, and then this blower motor is going to come out. You got a couple wires here and there that you're going to have to unhook, but they're all clip wires and they come right off. So this is the old one. Basically when these go bad, the air won't come out of the vents anymore because this is the blower motor. Now another thing is you'll know when it's starting to go bad because you'll start hearing it. It'll sound like a squeaky bearing, you know what I mean? It'll start squeaking. That's why I knew it was going bad. So I went ahead and bought this new one right here. But basically, let me flip this over. It's gonna go it's going to go up in there like this. This little hole right here is for the air, and then on the other side you have one connector that you have to take out, which is this one, and you just push it and pull it out and it drops down. Here's that connector here, and now all you gotta do is put this one back in the same place. It only has three screws here. They are 5/16 screws, and you just put them back in and you're good to go. All right, so here's a view of it looking from the bottom. There's this bolt right here, a bolt right here, and then there's a bolt back here. There's the hole. Here's your vent that goes up in there. Here is your connector, and it goes right into that slot right there. And you just plug it in, tighten these bolts down, and then turn your car on, see if you got air coming out. So basically the glove compartment slides right back into place, and you're gonna put a screw here, screw right here, and then down here is where the one bolt goes, and then right behind this little flashing here on your door jamb is where the other one goes, right here. I don't know if y'all can see that without the sun being in there. Yeah, there it is. And then the glove compartment's back in. It just snaps into place when you're done, and you're good to go. Alright, last step. You're going to put your glove compartment door back on. There's these little prongs on the edge. They snap in there just like that. You're going to hit the little prongs. All you got to do is push it forward. Just like that. It's in there. Then you're going to come back over here to your little latch. You're going to pop that back on just like that, and everything that you just done is complete. Hey, what up guys? So that's pretty much how you put the blower motor in. The hardest part about it is taking that little cavity out for your glove compartment. and it's only 3 screws, and you're gonna save yourself about 740 bucks. This part only costs about $60, and you take it to a mechanic or somebody, they're gonna charge you like 800 just to put 3 screws in. This literally took me 5 minutes to do. Anybody can do it. Even the baby. Yeah, even the baby can do it. So, don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe.
Comment, subscribe.
And we'll catch y'all on the next one.
Peace.